Dread.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with AFsisterwig. Once more, it's the same packaging as usual. So open the box, I see the wig. I got a elastic band, edge brush and comb, a wig cap, and lastly a rat tail comb. So that's everything in the box. For today's wig, we have one of the new delicate hairline, upgraded lace front wigs. I'm so excited for this. So this is how it looks. It's obviously like a loose curly pattern that it came with. It's a bob. It's really nice and pretty. You guys know I'm a sucker for these hairlines. They are the best. I love them so much. So this is how the inside looks. It's already like pre-bleached and tinted. It's a deep 13x6 parting space. It has a total of 4 combs. You can add the extra elastic band inside for extra security. It has adjustable straps in the back. It looks really good. Now look at how nicely deeply pre-plucked it is. It's really pretty. So with the delicate hairline, it's hand tied, right? So with this, reason why I can look so flat and realistic is because I put 1 to 2 hair in one lace hole as opposed to a regular hairline. So let me show you that, because I have another wig which the hairline is regular. This is the delicate hairline upgraded wig. This is the one that's normal. So as you can see, this really doesn't have a deep graduation like this one. You can tell that this is definitely flatter. You can see the customization on this more than this. This is still very nice. It's a curly wig, but it's like you could definitely see a huge difference. This is definitely flatter than this one. This one, they put 3 to 4 hairs in a hole, in a lace hole, as opposed to this one, which is 1 to 2 hairs in a lace hole. So it's a big difference. It really shows, and I'm here for the upgrade. Shout out to AFsisterwig for always, continuing to up their quality. This is amazing. So this is the wig that we're going to install today. Okay. All right. So I went ahead, slipped the wig on, and you can see how nicely graduated it is. So like for the mid portion there, like what I'm showing right here, it's like really deeply graduated. So if it's too deep for your liking, you can always just cut off the excess when you're removing the excess lace, and you'll see how, because I did cut off a bit of it in the front, and you'll see how, you saw how it looked in the beginning of the video when I showed the end look, right? But you'll see it further down in the video even more. So I'm using glue for the install today, and as usual, well, today I only used 2 layers, and it's just impeccable, man. It melted like a dream. As usual, you don't lay the lace until the glue is clear and tacky. Never lay the lace on top of the glue when it's still white. So that's all I'm doing right here. But what I can say for sure is that, like, as I said before, I really do love the upgraded vibe of the wig, and you guys have been seeing where I've been showing you a lot of these upgraded kind of wigs since recently, because to be honest, I them around the place. That natural look is what anybody would want. So I can understand why most of the companies would be upping their quality. So that's a plus. So once I was done with applying the 2 layers, I went in with my blow dryer on cool air, and after doing all of that, I removed the excess lace and I used my elastic band to further melt it down. And when I remove the elastic band, you'll see in the front there, like the mid portion of the lace, like right here, you see I didn't keep that super deep graduated look for that area specifically, because then it would be too far down my forehead there, and I didn't want that. So yeah, and sometimes when an area is kind of like super deeply plucked, it can kind of look a little bald, and we don't want that. So it looks perfect here. Like, I decided to do a half up, half down. It was so easy to work with, like, no joke, super easy to work with. I really love the voluminous, look, that fluffy curly look, and I love the loose curly vibe as well. So I did kind of keep that. I went in and I did define it with a little water, and you'll see that further down, but I never like give it the super drenched wet look today. That's not what I was going for. I wanted that fluffy, playful, curly vibe, and that's how I kept it. It was really easy to put up in a ponytail, no hassle at all. It's really flat, so that makes life way easier, make it really easy to work with. I got a little glammed here, and this is it before I went ahead and wet it up. Sorry about the dog in my background. But yeah, this is where I actually wet it up now. So you could definitely not wet it up if you don't wish to, because it looks just as fine. But I wanted that extra sheen, that extra definition, so I went in and did that. And yeah, so it's looking really good. It's super melted. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It looks really good. I decided to keep the fluffed look. I really like that short, curly, messy, curly kind of bob look, and I did a half up, half down. As you can see, it looks really good. Shout out to AFsisterwig once more. They're always coming through with the quality. I highly recommend this upgraded hairline that they have now. It's amazing. It's impeccable. So I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and get it for yourself, as well as the specifications that will be listed. Go ahead, check that out. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. All right, yeah, that's basically it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.